welcome to the Steve Jobs Theater. As you can tell, today's going to be a very different kind of event. So let's get started with Apple News. I love the feeling of being at the newsstand with all those beautiful and thought-provoking magazines covering so many topics. Well, today, we're bringing magazines to Apple News. All of these magazines come to life in an all-new service that we call Apple News Plus.
Apple News Plus will bring you over 300 magazines across all sorts of topics. And Apple News Plus is the only place where you will find all these magazines in a single package. But Apple News Plus is about more than magazines. Apple News Plus also includes some of the most popular premium digital subscriptions like the Skim. We download groups of articles from our servers, and then we use on-device intelligence to make recommendations. And that means we don't know what you read, and in addition to that, we don't allow advertisers to track you. We decided to make this available to your entire family with family sharing at no extra charge. You pay $9.99 per month. Apple News Plus is available today. Just download today's updates of iOS and macOS and launch Apple News. And the first month is free.
Now let's talk about Apple Pay. We're bringing Apple Pay to transit in major cities in the US, starting right here on the West Coast with Portland and rolling out in Chicago and New York City later this year. Today, we're introducing a brand new service, and we call it Apple Card.
You don't have to wait days to get your card. Just sign up on your iPhone, and in just minutes, you get your Apple Card, and you can start using it right away. You can use it worldwide, anywhere with Apple Pay, in apps, in stores, on the web, and your Apple Card will be available across all of your Apple devices. Apple Card is also always with you because it's in your iPhone, in the Wallet app. And the Wallet app has completely new capabilities. So you can see everything you need to know about your Apple Card. With Apple Card, if you have a question, just text us right from Messages. Everything from getting details on a transaction to letting us know your new address. With Apple Card, we use machine learning and Apple Maps to transform this mess into names and locations that you'll recognize. Apple Card also automatically organizes and totals your purchases. And you can keep track of your spending by categories, like food and drink, shopping, entertainment, and more. And Apple Card also shows you how your spending is trending, week over week or month over month. So every time you spend with Apple Card, you get cash back, and you get it every day. In fact, every time you pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch, you'll get 2% of the purchase amount in daily cash. And for purchases made directly from Apple, you get 3% daily cash.
Apple Arcade is the world's first game subscription service for mobile, desktop, and living room. With a single subscription, you'll get access to over 100 new and exclusive games. You'll be able to play Apple Arcade games across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV, and pick up where you left off in a game, even if you switch devices. And unlike streaming services, every game will be playable offline. There will be no ads and no additional purchases needed. And parents can manage their kids' access with our screen time features. Apple Arcade games cannot collect any data about you, nor track any information about how you play their games without your consent. Apple Arcade will be available this fall in over 150 countries and regions around the world. Pricing and more details to come.
Only the channels you want, on demand, ad-free, for the entire family. And all of it is inside the new Apple TV app. With Apple TV channels, whether you get your TV from a live streaming service like Prime Video, Hulu, or ESPN+, movies from iTunes, sports, news, and network TV from cable or satellite, or shows from HBO, Showtime, and Starz with the new Apple TV channels. It's all together in one place, the Apple TV app. You'll be able to get this new experience, including Apple TV channels, on all these devices through a software update this May. We're bringing the Apple TV app to the Mac. We're launching the same great experience with Samsung this spring, followed by Sony, LG, and Vizio. We're bringing the Apple TV app to smart TVs. And we're even bringing the Apple TV app to Roku and Amazon.
But we have even more to contribute to the TV experience. Apple TV Plus.
We've partnered with the most accomplished storytellers, as well as a new generation of the most exciting voices, who together will define Apple TV Plus as the destination for the highest quality originals. From documentaries to dramas, from kids to comedies, the highest quality of storytelling in one single place. This is Apple TV Plus.
Apple TV Plus is an ad-free subscription service. It's on demand, available online and offline. Everything's downloadable, with exclusive original movies and shows, with new additions every single month. And it's all starting this fall.
The opportunity to work with all of these exceptional artists is truly inspiring. We have one more remarkable storyteller to share with you this morning.
Hi.
What a fun morning. Thank you to all the folks watching, our customers. Thank you. Bye-bye.